Kerala is a state on the southwestern Malabar coast of India. It was formed on the 1st of November 1956, following the passage of the States Reorganisation Act, by combining Malayalam-speaking regions of the erstwhile states of Travancore, Kochi and Madras, spread over 38,863 square kilometers. Kerala is the 21st largest Indian state by area. It is bordered by Karnataka to the north and northeast, Tamil Nadu to the east and south, and the Lakshadweep Sea to the west. With 33,387,677 inhabitants as per the 2011 census, Kerala is the 13th largest Indian state by population. It is divided into 14 districts with the capital being Thiruvananthapuram. Malayalam is the most widely spoken language and is also the official language of the state. The Chera dynasty was the first prominent kingdom based in Kerala. The I Kingdom in the deep south and the Ishimala Kingdom in the north formed the other kingdoms in the early years of the Common Era, and the Taluk of Kasaragod in South Kannada, which was a part of Madras state. The economy of Kerala is the 10th largest in India with 7.82 trillion rupees. Kerala has the lowest positive population growth rate in India, 3.44%. The highest Human Development Index, 0.784 in 2018. The highest literacy rate, 96.2% in the 2018 literacy survey conducted by the National Statistical Office. India, the highest life expectancy, 77 years, and the highest sex ratio, 1,084 women per 1,000 men. Kerala is the second least impoverished state in India according to the annual report of Reserve Bank of India published in 2013. The state topped in the country to achieve the Sustainable Development Goals according to the annual report of Niti Aayog published in 2019. The state has witnessed significant emigration, especially to the Arab states of the Persian Gulf during the Gulf boom of the 1970s and early 1980s. And its economy depends significantly on remittances from a large Malayali expatriate community. Hinduism is practiced by more than half of the population, followed by Islam and Christianity. The culture is a synthesis of Aryan, Dravidian, Arab, and European cultures, developed over millennia, under influences from other parts of India and abroad. The production of pepper and natural rubber contributes significantly to the total national output. In the agricultural sector, coconut, tea, coffee, cashew and spices are important. The state's coastline extends for 595 kilometers, and around 1.1 million people in the state are dependent on the fishery industry, which contributes 3% to the state's income. The state has the highest media exposure in India with newspapers publishing in 9 languages, mainly English and Malayalam. Kerala is one of the prominent tourist destinations of India, with backwaters, hill stations, beaches, Ayurvedic tourism and tropical greenery as its major attractions. The name Kerala has an uncertain etymology. One folk etymology derives Kerala from the Malayalam word Kera, coconut tree, and Alam, land. Thus, land of coconuts, which is a nickname for the state used by locals due to the abundance of coconut trees. The word Kerala is first recorded as Katalaputto in a 3rd century BCE rock inscription left by the Maurya Emperor Ashoka, one of his edicts pertaining to welfare. This contradicts the theory that Kera is from coconut tree. At that time, one of 3 states in the region was called Cheralam in classical Tamil. Chera and Kera are variants of the same word. The word Cheral refers to the oldest known dynasty of Kerala kings and is derived from the Proto-Tamil Malayalam word for lake. The earliest Sanskrit text to mention Kerala is Cherafdha, as the late Vedic text Atare Aranyaka. Kerala is also mentioned in the Ramayana and the Mahabharata, the 2 Hindu epics. The Skanda Purana mentions the ecclesiastical office of the Thachudaya camel, who is referred to as Manikkam Kerala, synonymous with the deity of the Kudamanikyam temple. Keralam may stem from the classical Tamil Cherive Alam, declivity of a hill or a mountain slope, or Chera Alam, land of the cherries. The Greco-Roman trade map Periplus Maris Erythrae refers to Kerala as Selobotra. Kerala was alternatively called Kerala as well as Malabar, until the arrival of the East India Company. The term Malabar was used as a general name for Kerala, along with the term Kerala, from the time of Cosmas Indicopleust's Al-Biruni. According to the Sangam classic Purananuru, the Chera king Senkuttuvan conquered the lands between Kanyakumari and the Himalayas. Lacking worthy enemies, he besieged the sea by throwing his spear into it. According to the 17th century Malayalam work Keralolpathi, the lands of Kerala were recovered from the sea by the axe-wielding warrior sage Parasurama. The sixth avatar of Vishnu, Parasurama threw his axe across the sea, and the water receded as far as it reached. According to legend, this new area of land extended from Gokarna to Kanyakumari. The land which rose from sea was filled with